Today, we're going to talk about something that we all want, living longer and conquering aging. Well, this is your lucky day because we have got some amazing insights to share with you today that come straight from the wise words of the incredible 102-year-old Dr. Gladys McGarey. Yes, you heard that right, 102. Dr. Gladys McGarey is an amazing woman who has brought big changes to medicine. People call her the mother of holistic medicine, and she has spent most of her life working on it. She helped start the American Holistic Medical Association and the Academy of Parapsychology and Medicine. Even though she went through tough times like beating thyroid and breast cancer, going through a divorce at 70 after being in a partnership for 46 years, and losing a child to breast cancer, Dr. Gladys McGarey stays strong. She is still working as a consulting doctor and writer and has published a new book called The Well-Lived Life, a 102-year-old doctor's 6 secrets to health and happiness at every age. So what is the secret behind Dr. Gladys' health and happiness? Well, for starters, she makes sure to have a good balanced diet. In an interview about secrets for keeping a sharp mind on quick brain, she said,
"Good balanced diet is plenty of water, plenty of live foods, and foods that make you really know that this is good for me. But pay attention to that because some foods that are good for one person are not good for another person."
Dr. Gladys McGarey begins her day with a simple but important routine. She gets out of bed and greets the new day with a morning prayer. Then she goes downstairs and enjoys a healthy breakfast of fiber-rich raisin bran, along with some refreshing prune juice. Raisin bran is really good for you because it has a lot of nutrients. Just eating a small bowl of this cereal gives you about 1/6 of the fiber you should have in a day. Fiber is important because it helps your digestion, keeps your bowel movements regular, and can even help protect against cold and cancer. Prune juice is made from dried plums or prunes and has a bunch of nutrients that are good for your health. Prunes are full of energy because they have a lot of sugar, but they don't make your blood sugar spike quickly because they have a low glycemic index. Also, prunes have a high fiber content, support regular bowel movements, and aid in digestion. These dried plums are also rich in potassium, an important electrolyte that helps with many important body jobs like keeping your heart rhythm steady, controlling nerve signals, moving muscles, and managing blood pressure. Dr. Gladys McGarey also likes to have a cup of coffee and goes on with her simple routine. When it is around midday, she has a balanced lunch. Sometimes it is a yummy salad, and other times it is a more filling dish. After this meal, she takes a peaceful 1-hour nap to refresh both her body and her spirit. As the evening comes, Dr. Gladys McGarey chooses a lighter dinner, often having soup. This helps her sleep well and prevents feeling too full and uncomfortable. She plans to go to bed at 8 p.m. because she knows that even as we get older, getting enough sleep is really important. She knows that eating healthy foods is good for staying well, but she doesn't suggest any specific way to eat or exercise. She eats what she enjoys, even having chocolate cake and a burger every now and then. According to her, quote, "It is the routine and I think it works for me. It is important for each one to find what works for us," end quote. Throughout the day, Dr. Gladys McGarey pays attention to drinking enough water to keep herself well hydrated. This shows how she looks at taking care of her whole self. She explained that not drinking enough water can lead to various problems later on. It could affect memory, cause confusion, and bring other health issues. At the remarkable age of 102, she keeps her mind sharp and her hands busy all the time. One of the things she loves to do is knitting, a hobby that keeps her hands moving and lets her make nice presents for others. Although she knows she can't knit complex patterns anymore because of her eyesight, she happily knits smaller things that make people happy when she gives them. By keeping herself busy with knitting, she prevents getting stuck spending too much time on her cell phone, which she knows can lead to stress. Apart from that, Dr. Gladys McGarey continues to provide consults and stay committed to the holistic way of medicine that she helped popularize in the United States in the 1970s. She makes sure to talk about how treating the whole person is really important. She knows it is crucial to think about mental, social, and physical health when dealing with troubling symptoms. Also, she strongly believes that this complete approach really helps with real healing. In her free time, Dr. Gladys McGarey enjoys listening to audiobooks and having deep talks with friends. Aging experts say that such things are really important for being happy and might even help you live a longer, more satisfying life. Dr. Gladys McGarey recently got a stem cell infusion. She thinks this has made her feel more energetic. Scientists are still learning about what exactly this method does to aging, but Dr. Gladys McGarey stays positive and is excited about what's ahead. In a podcast with Mind Body Green, she said, quote, "If you stop moving, you die," end quote. At some point during the day, Dr. Gladys McGarey aims to reach her goal of walking 3,800 steps. She uses her reliable walker to help her move around. Instead of sticking to a strict plan, she likes to explore her beloved home. The familiar spaces bring her calmness and happiness. Along with her walker, she also has a cute tricycle that makes her daily routine even more enjoyable. As part of her routine for staying healthy, Dr. Gladys McGarey gets a full-body massage once a week. She knows this brings lots of good things. It is not just about physically helping the body's systems and giving them what they need, but it also gives her mind and spirit a lot of good feelings. Dr. Gladys McGarey thinks it is really important for everyone to experience the soothing touch of others. This can happen with a professional massage, or just by being close to someone you care about, even a furry friend. It is all about feeling connected to others and how strong that connection can be. She believes that the happiest and healthiest people are really good at moving on from things or experiences that don't help them anymore. Thinking about the same things over and over again is like hurting yourself, she says. Life is too short to keep going over the same thoughts. Dr. Gladys McGarey believes making a 10-year plan plays a big role in healthy aging. Every morning, she talks with her friend Rose about her plan and makes it even better. She says it is super important to find your main goal in life. This is what makes life meaningful and satisfying, a mission that keeps you going and makes you want to do good things for the world. Currently, her mission is all about imagining better ways for people to live together and take care of each other. She says, quote,
I think the world needs a village for living medicine, a place where people who believe in love and life as the healing aspects of all things.
Dr. Gladys McGarey doesn't stress over how many years she has left in her life. Instead, she focuses on what is ahead. She believes there's still stuff for her to do, and she is determined to keep doing it. And there you have it, the secrets to conquering aging and living longer, straight from the wise words of Dr. Gladys McGarey. Remember, it is never too late to start making healthy choices, and these tips will not only add years to your life, but quality too. What are your personal goals for living a longer and healthier life? Comment them below. Remember to keep tuning in for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.